wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Got another box from a Temu. This is not a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form. I ordered this with my own money, and I ordered items that I'm going to need for some projects that I'm going to do that are Mackenzie Childs inspired. So I'm just going to show you. I figured why not do an unboxing or an unbagging, and you can see what it's like. I got some of these stencils that I'm going to be doing on furniture. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And then I got this one. These two are so beautiful. I can't wait to do this on a table. I don't remember what this is, but I love this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. Let me know if you want the recipe or if you want me to do a video about it. I make these shrimp rissoles, these Portuguese shrimp rissoles, or you can make chicken or whatever. And you just put the dough here and you can make desserts and whatnot. And I really wanted that. And it's a metal, which is nice, not just a plastic. So quite happy about that. I also got this little case. This is great to put your earbuds, your chargers, actually little enough. Okay, it actually closes quite nicely. I pulled the ribbons apart. And there you go. And then you drop it in your bag and you've got... Let's try this again. Okay, that's not working. It's going back. And I think I ordered 2 of these. That one doesn't work. So forget that one. I'm glad I'm showing you all this and you can see. Oh, this is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a beautiful dragonfly. Really nice. And I did get a lot of stencils because I am going to do a lot with them. I ordered this one as board. You can't really see it, but it says, love every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. This I wanted to get because this is a silicone mat, and you can use it for when you're cooking, crafting, anything. And if anything gets dirty or stuck on it, you just wipe it off. And I had some, one of those plastic towels here, tablecloths, but I thought I need to get something bigger. And then when I seen this size, I thought, bonus, this is absolutely perfect. It's an excellent size. I think it was $15. I also got these stencils, and then I got some fillers, calendar fillers for my agenda. I know you're looking at this and you're thinking, what the heck could she possibly do with that? This is actually, or they sell these to put on a shirt. And I got different colors. I got 2 reds. I got this beautiful green. I got this cream. I got this gorgeous pink. And I got just black. I got blue. Let me see. Oh, I got this gorgeous green. Another one in black. A purple one. I want you to look at this because I am going to do something fantastic with this, and it's going to be a craft. It's not going to be clothes or anything to wear. It's going to be an awesome DIY. So I just want you to look at it and see how it is, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. That's in an upcoming video. Now this they would normally use on a dress. For the price I got, this was the same price as this, and this only has a little bit, and this one has quite a lot. I thought I'd try it because I can get 4 projects out of this one for the same price as this. I'm gonna have to trim it around. I so wanted this. Isn't that pretty? I have so many scissors, but I have to be honest that my scissors are kind of crappy, just like this. And I wanted something small when I'm doing crafts, and they're really pointy. I think it was like $4. They have silver and they have gold and rose gold. They seem to work really nice. So I got this. This is one of those rub-on transfers. Oh yes, this is a border stencil. I thought it was so cute. You can use this on a table. either around the bottom or the top. It's so, so pretty. If you use stencils, guys, you know how much it is in the store, right? Through Temu, they were like $2, $1, $3, something like that. Look at this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So this I'm going to use as a trim on a project. The clue for the future project is going to have this ribbon on it, and it's going to have this beautiful flower on top. Oh my gosh, I'm so darn excited. My husband has the weed whacker, and of course, you know, to cut the lawn, and it's that wire one. It's a pain in the you-know-what. So he's seen this there for, I think it was $16, directly into the weed whacker. And it has these sharp things here, and then you don't have to keep changing the wire. This is supposed to be it. And it does say there is a warning, wear eye protection. Please, oh no, here's another one of those. You know what? I have to say that I was quite disappointed with this. The zipper didn't work. I'm gonna try this one and see, because I was so excited about getting these because I could just put all my crap in here and zip it up and throw it in my bag. And if this is not gonna work, I'll be very disappointed. Maybe it was just that blue one. You know what? It was just that blue one. Oh, this one's perfect. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so maybe that was just the dud in the bunch. Well, I'm happy about that. Cool. Okay, so now I will only send one back. I've seen this everywhere on YouTube. Well, if it's like that blue one, the answer is no, right? Let's see. Otherwise, I'm returning it. I want to see how this closes because that other blue one was crap. Okay. Ooh, nice. Oh, love this. My husband does the gardening out, but I do help out with the weeds. I seen it in a video. Do that in the weeds and lift it up, and it just comes right off. And I'm telling you, if it works, it's a bonus. It was like $6 or something. And you could probably put a long handle here if you wanted to. Another one of those. But you can see I got the larger one, and then I got the smaller one. These were like $5, which I found kind of pricey, but I bought it because I really like the color. Because I haven't found this color yet, and I'm going to show you. And the project that I need has this color. So sometimes, you know, you just got to pay a little more to get what you want. But this is how this looks like. And then I got the cream one. Project coming up. Stay tuned. I had one of these before many moons ago. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. Oh, there's a little screwdriver in here. Come on. Okay, so there's instructions in there. There's a little screwdriver. You do something here, put a battery maybe. And then you deposit your money in there and it keeps tally for you. Now it takes 2 AAA batteries. Okay, last one. Guys, let's check out this zipper because it's kind of crazy. Oh yes, love it. So this is, look, it's all sewn individually. Here's my cables, everything. No, this is good. I'm good. You know, oh, I see. And it's got the little handle here too that you can just take it like this, but put all my wires and stuff in here. I could even throw my iPad in here, and it's got a nice cushiony thing. Wow. And then boom, boom, zoom, and off you go. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. It does something for the algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the bell to black so you can be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other. Have an amazing week. And thank you so much for staying with me.